Hey everybody, what's up? Mark Supsick here. Let's check out the two wines that are in this weekly tasting pack that I just put together called Chardonnay, the French Traveler. This one is from Anaba. They're located in Sonoma, and for this particular wine, they sourced the grapes from the Sonoma Coast, which is slightly cooler. So as you can see here, the color for this one is slightly more intense. It's more golden or maybe more lemon yellow. And that intensity is coming from barrel fermentation and also 17 months in French oak. So let's give that California Chardonnay a swirl. In keeping with the California style, the first thing to smack you in the face is oak. There's so much oak in there. There's some spice coming from the oak barrels as well, sort of like a cinnamon or a clove element. This is a big California Chardonnay. Now it's not as big as some of them were in the past. They've dialed it back a little bit, but there's still that California attitude in there. First of all, it's more full-bodied and there's some heat in there because it's a higher alcohol wine. There's some acid in there, which is good because it needs to balance everything out. Keeps it nice and crisp. But at the same time, it's really bottom-ended. It's like very full and lush. Tons of candied Asian pear, and then not like your standard tart lemon, but like a sweet Meyer lemon. And of course, just the overarching, lingering presence of oak. This is a beautiful California Chardonnay here from Anaba, and I would say it's a classic California Chardonnay that's been dialed back a couple notches. It's got the high acids in it that are keeping it a little bit more fresh, like French Chardonnay, but at the same time, there's still that full body and the ripe fruit in there. That's classic California attitude. Thanks so much for checking these out with me, and I hope you get a chance to taste them for yourself. Come on over and join us for this weekly tasting pack. I'll see you there. Cheers.